everybody, this is Julie with Crafty Beach. What are we gonna make today? But first, if you got a minute, can you hit that subscribe button or that thumbs up? I would really appreciate it. I'm a new channel and it really helps out. Okay, today we're gonna try sublimation on color polyester. I got this, it's an Icy Zone brand on Amazon and I will post the link below. I got it for $7. It is 90% polyester. And I think the price fluctuates on these. I have bought one of these before, and it's a really lightweight tank top, which is great because I live in Florida, so it gets super hot. I'm actually wearing this shirt right now. So first, what I'm going to do, since it's got kind of a funny back, I'm going to go ahead and put my Easy Press mat like inside the tank top. And I'm kind of fussy with this because the first time I tried to make this shirt, it didn't work. And I'll explain what went wrong in just a little bit. So I'm going to get it all set up. Okay. Now, here's my design. Final rose material. Hey, I'm a Bachelor fan. Junk TV. Okay. I will post this design if you like Bachelor too, or you want to make this shirt. I will post the link. I designed it on Canva. The reason that I am going all crazy here and cutting up these words is because I only have a 9x9 Cricut Easy Press 2, and the design is bigger than that. When I tried to make this shirt before, when I picked up the Easy Press and moved it, it messed up the letters, the words. So I'm trying to group them in what will fit in my Easy Press. Like cutting between words and letters. You know what I'm saying. And I am just putting that down with heat tape. So I kind of have a section that I think will press well. And I forgot I need to put, this is really thin, so the sublimation goes right through and it would destroy my mat. So I'm just putting a piece of copy paper that I had sitting around and just putting it between the mat and the shirt. Gonna go 400 for 60 seconds. Now, before I take off the sublimation paper, I'm gonna go ahead and line up the left part of the design so that everything is flush and lined up. Look at me, I am using a ruler. I am not messing up this shirt again. I really want this shirt. So that's exactly what I did. I secured 3 sides and then took the other sheet off, secured the right side, and again at the bottom, I'm just kind of putting my sheet back together like a puzzle. It's kind of more work than you would think was necessary, but you don't want to mess up the letters. It'll totally ruin your whole shirt. So again, I got my left side of the press all done, and see how it went through my paper? Onto the paper. So I'm going to use a fresh sheet of copy paper in between my shirt and my mat. And I am going to apply my press for 60 seconds at 400 degrees again. And besides the extra cutting and puzzling, this shirt was like super easy and I love it. As I said, I'm wearing it right now. It's really cool how the red heathering stripes are actually seen in the letters. I tried to get close, but I don't know if you can really tell what I'm talking about. I even turned on my super light. But like the red stripes actually go through the letters, and it really shows that it's part of the material. I absolutely love it. Now I got me a Bachelor watching shirt. Junk TV. Okay, I got this sweatshirt at Five Below for $5. And it is 95% polyester. I am laying it out, and I did lint roll this shirt. I had some issues with this sweatshirt, so I was thinking maybe it was because I didn't lint roll it, but hey, look at that. I did lint roll it. Okay, so this doesn't have any funny designs, so I'm just putting the mat completely under the whole pink polyester sweatshirt. And I printed out a big design on this one. It is an RBG quote, and I can include the link to this too if you would like to make this. I had to do it on 2 different sheets because it's a really big design. And then I'm like, I forgot that this like sweatshirt was a cropped sweatshirt. So I'm going to do my best to get this all to fit on here. And again, it's wider than my Easy Press. I really should have bought a bigger Easy Press. When I did the research, everybody said 9 by 9 was the way to go. And I wish I would have got the bigger one. It would save me some of this. So again, I'm kind of just cutting out the words that will fit. And cutting it like that even helps better because when you put it back together, you put it back like a puzzle and it's going to be lined up perfectly. So I'm going to have to go super high on this one to get it all to fit. And I've got all of these little corners to tape with my heat tape. And I just get my heat tape off Amazon. And I also got this handy dandy heat tape dispenser off Amazon as well. Okay, so 400 for 60 seconds. And again, this was from Five Below. It's a great place to get polyester. It's hit or miss what they have, but let's see how it turned out. Oh, first, I'm going to do what I did on the first one. Before I take it off, I am going to line it up like a puzzle, put the left side of my design on there, and start taping it down. I think what happened is when I moved the Easy Press, like it kind of warped or shifted the paper a little bit. I don't know, but it really messed up my shirt. So I'm not doing that again. So I'm going to press 400 for 60 seconds. And I am ready to work on the second half of my design. I have a Ruth Bader Ginsburg shirt and it just kind of fell apart because I wear it all the time because I love her. I loved her. So I really like this quote and I thought it would be perfect for this sweatshirt. And my letters are in purple. So here I'm just cutting it out again, what's going to fit, trying to kind of keep words together. And I realized like the weird bottom on the sweatshirt is going to cause it like not really to fit. So I'm also measuring the space between lines. So it was 1 inch between lines. So I'm trying to line that up and it's not going to fit. So I'm going to have to do something else with the signature. So, you know, it's always kind of an experiment. And then I'm going to try to line it up. I want to make sure that it's level. And I'm going to tape these letters down. I have some color issues at the end with this sweatshirt. And watching it back, I don't really see what happened. I don't know if there's an issue with my sublimation ink, but I'm going to try it. So 400 for 60 seconds. I'm going to check my ink and make sure that it's not low or something. Because I did all of the purple letters in the same shade of purple, but at the end you'll see that they're not. And I don't know why. I don't know if it's this fabric. On video, I mean, it looks the same, but it's slightly different. So again, I put that together like a puzzle piece. I've got all kinds of weird angles going on this one. And I'm going to press that for 400 for 60 seconds. And I am going to have to, I can't have her quote on there without her name. So I'm thinking, how am I going to get this on here? There was just enough room with avoiding the seam there that I might be able to get it on there. So I'm pulling my sheet of paper down. I use the same sheet of paper for all of it because this is a pretty thick, sweatery feeling sweatshirt. So I checked and the ink is not going through it. So I'm just using the same one just in case. And taping down my weird shape here. And then I'm really careful when I put the Easy Press on there to make sure that the seam is not interfering with it because pressure can cause problems too. So another 400 for 60 seconds. And I'm going to go ahead and pull that off and then try to line up her first name. And this is the last piece to the sweatshirt. This sweatshirt, it almost feels like a sweater. It's super comfy. And even though we don't get a chance to wear sweatshirts so often, like when I travel, and sometimes in the winter for a day or two, but it just feels cozy. Okay, we got it. And I absolutely love how it turned out. The only problem is, and I notice it here, see where Speak Your Mind is like dark purple? And then the next 3 lines is like a lighter shade of purple. And I couldn't figure out why that was. I didn't have it stretched. I used the same temperature. I used, the same time. So, I don't know. I checked my sublimation paper and the ink came off evenly on all of them. And the Speak Mind and Even If I pressed at the same time. So, I don't know why it's faded. It kind of works because the Speak Your Mind stands out more than the other. I still love it, but I don't know why it looks like that. Okay, guys, are you ready for the final results? This is my Bachelor tank top final rose material. I absolutely love how this turned out, and I will keep checking the prices on these. It seems to fluctuate, goes up and down, and there's different colors as well. And here is my sweatshirt. So you can see there are different shades. It almost looks like it was done on purpose. So I don't mind it. I still consider it a success, and I love what it says. And here I go a little bit closer to see if you can see what I'm talking about. See how it's just darker? And then it fades. I don't know. Do you guys have any ideas? All right, have a great day, everybody.